Today you'll learn how to create a realistic AI avatar using Nano Banana Pro. The result? A professional-looking avatar that actually looks human, not like those cheap AI-generated faces you see everywhere. You can use this for YouTube videos, social media content, branding, or even as a digital spokesperson. This is not a sponsored video. I personally tested this tool and spent time figuring out what works and what doesn't. So I'm showing you the exact process that gives the best results. Now here's the thing. Nano Banana Pro's subscription can be expensive for most people. So I'll show you two methods. One using Gemini Pro, which I personally use, and another using OpenArt, which is cheaper and gives you access to multiple AI tools in one subscription. With OpenArt, you don't just get image generation, you also get video creation tools and other AI features. Links for both platforms are in the description. Choose whichever fits your budget. Step 1. Find the right reference image. First, go to Pinterest. Don't use Google Images or random websites. Pinterest is better because it has high-quality, curated images that are perfect for this kind of work. Now search for the type of person you want. Be specific. If you want a male avatar, search something like USA man model, or Indian businessman, or European male portrait. If you want a female avatar, search professional woman USA or whatever matches your target look. The key here is to pick an image that looks real and natural. Avoid images that already look AI generated or heavily edited. Look for natural lighting, clear facial features, and a simple background. Save the image to your device. Step 2. Open Gemini Pro. If you're using OpenArt, I'll explain that method in a minute, but the concept is the same. Upload your reference image. Now, this is where most people mess up. You can't just upload an image and expect magic. You need to give the AI clear instructions. Here's the prompt you should use. Create a realistic AI avatar inspired by this reference photo. The avatar should have a similar facial structure, skin tone, age range, and overall vibe, but must not be identical to the reference person. Make the avatar look natural, professional, and human. Avoid any artificial or overly perfect features. Read that prompt again and adjust it based on your needs. For example, if you want your avatar to look younger or older, mention that. If you want specific features like glasses or facial hair, add that too. Now select the Nano Banana Pro model option. This is important because regular models won't give you the same level of realism. Click Generate and wait. It usually takes 20 to 30 seconds. Step 3. Generate multiple variations. Once you get your first result, don't stop there. Generate at least 4 to 5 different poses and expressions. Why? Because you'll need variety for your content. Here's what I recommend. 1 neutral front-facing pose, 1 smiling pose, 1 left side angle, 1 right side angle, 1 serious or professional expression. To do this, just modify your prompt slightly each time. For example, add smiling warmly, or looking to the left, or serious professional expression at the end of your original prompt. This takes an extra 5 minutes now, but saves you hours later when you need different shots. Step 4. Using OpenArt, alternative method. If you're using OpenArt Instead, here's how it works. Log into OpenArt and click on Create Image. Paste the same prompt I gave you earlier. Then look for the Reference Image option. It's usually on the right side of the screen. Click it and upload your Pinterest image. Select Nano Banana Pro from the model drop-down. Then click Generate. The quality will be the same as Gemini Pro. The only difference is the interface and the subscription cost. What you have now is a unique, realistic AI avatar. It doesn't look like the reference person, so there are no copyright or ethical issues. But it has the same quality and vibe that you wanted. You can use this avatar for faceless YouTube channels, digital marketing, presentations, social media content, or even as a virtual assistant for your brand. That's the complete process. No complicated steps, no expensive software, just a clear method that works. If you found this helpful, Like the video and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials.